My fellow Singaporeans, as we reflect on our journey through SG60, we recognize the challenges we have overcome and the resilience that defines us. Yet we must also acknowledge the cracks that divide us and recommit to building an inclusive Singapore for all. The SOP Manifesto embodies this commitment to inclusivity and solidarity. It envisions a nation where every child has a strong start, where housing and healthcare are accessible, and where opportunities are not limited by one's circumstances. These principles guide my dedication to empowering our communities and fostering a Singapore that is fair, just, and united. In this election, I promise to work tirelessly to bridge the gaps that divide us, support our silver generation, and ensure every Singaporean has the chance to pursue his or her dreams. Together, we can build a stronger, more compassionate Singapore. Let us honor the struggles of our past by securing a brighter future for all. Thank you, and together, let us move forward. Vote for me, Noraini binti Yunus. Vote for Singapore United Party, SUP. Moving forward together.